Hello friends, let's solve question number 4. CM and RN are respectively the medians of similar triangles, triangle ABC and triangle PQR. So they have given here two triangles ABC and PQR. They have told that CM and RN are medians. So, and they told that triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR. So what did they ask us to prove? They asked us to prove three sub-questions. One is triangle AMC is similar to triangle PNR, CM by RN equals to AB by PQ, triangle CMB is similar to triangle RNQ. These are the three sub-questions they asked us to prove. So let us do the first sub-question now. So here in the solution I have just drawn the triangles whatever was given in the question. I have just written here given triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR. So I have written CM and RN are medians. So what is median? A median is nothing but a line which is drawn from the vertex of a triangle to the opposite side, to the midpoint of the opposite side. So a line which is drawn from the vertex of a triangle to the midpoint of the opposite side. So this line is called median of the triangle. So it means what? AM equals to MB. So median means for explanation I am writing here line joining from vertex to midpoint of opposite side of triangle. Okay, line joining from vertex to the midpoint of opposite side of a triangle is called median. So AM equals to MB because it is a midpoint. CM means M is the midpoint for A and B since CM is a median. Clear? So we can write that AM equals to MB. In the same way, let's see for second triangle PQR. When RN is a median, it means what? A line joining the vertex to the midpoint of the opposite side is called median. Since RN is a median, therefore we can write it as PN equals to NQ. Clear? So we have written from the median concept these 2 points we have written. After that, first sub question, what is that? We have to prove triangle AMC is, we have to prove that triangle AMC is similar to triangle PNR. Correct? Triangle AMC is similar to triangle PNR. Let's prove that now. See here, under the solution I have given, I have written here whatever was given in the question that triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR. So when two triangles are equal, it means what? Their corresponding angles are equal and corresponding sides are proportional. So let's write the same thing here. Let's write the sides are proportional. So we can write that AC by PR, correct? AC by PR equals to AB by PQ. AB by PQ equals to again BC by QR, correct? Equals to BC by QR. Clear? AC by PR equals to AB by PQ equals to BC by QR. So we can write this in the given part. So what is required to be proved? RTP is nothing but required to prove triangle AMC is similar to triangle PNR. Now let's enter into the proof part. Okay, proof part. So here, what did I do here? I just take these two. AC by PR equals to AB by PQ. Write in brackets since given. So here when you see in the diagram, AB is nothing but AM plus MB. So what did I write here? AB equals to AM plus MB. In the same way, what is PQ? Let's see in the diagram. PQ means PN plus NQ. Let's write the same thing here. PQ equals to PN plus NQ. AB equals to AM plus MB. PQ equals to PN plus NQ. But what you do here, write it, since AM and since CM, because CM is the, see here, CM is the median, CM and RN are the medians, right? So write the same thing here. Since CM and RN are medians of triangle ABC and triangle PQR, therefore, what can we write? Write the same thing here. AM equals to MB or PN equals to NQ. Correct? Since CM and RN are medians of triangle ABC and triangle PQR, AM equals to MB and PN equals to NQ. So here we have to prove that triangle AMC is similar to triangle PNR. It means what? Let's see the triangle PNR. So here we have to convert here. PQ is there, right? PQ we have written it as NQ. PN equals to NQ. PQ can be written as PN plus NQ. AB can be written as AM plus MB. Correct? So here what will I do now is PNR. See, AB equals to AM plus MB, PQ equals to PN plus NQ. But here only PNR should be there. So what will I do here? I will convert NQ as PN only. See here, I will convert this NQ as PN only, because since N is a midpoint, it means what? PN equals to NQ. So you can write NQ as PN. Okay. So here this points, what will I do? I will take this as equation 1 and this as equation 2. Okay. I'll take this as equation 1 and the other one as equation 2. So here what will I do here? AB equals to AM plus, I am writing the same thing here. This step I am continuing. Okay. AM plus MB. What can I write in the next step? I am writing it as AB equals to AM plus MB plus I can write it as AM. Since AM and MB are same, right? So I am writing it as AM since equation 1. Clear? Why you have make it equated? Since median means nothing but line joining from vertex to the midpoint of the opposite side, so that AM equals to MB. Clear? So AM plus AM, it becomes 2AM. AB equals to 2AM. In the same way, let's write for PQ also. PQ equals to PN plus NQ. That is equals to. So PN and NQ both are same, right? So here triangle PNR have to be taken. So why I have taken here AM means to prove that AM, when you see here, instead of MB I am taking AM because in the required to be proved AM is coming. Here in this case also we have to take PN because in required to prove PN is coming. So PN plus, in the NQ place I can write PN because of equation 2, since equation 2. Clear? So it becomes 2PN. PQ equals to 2PN. AB equals to 2AM. So now what will I do here? Put AB and PQ values in given. Given means in the given AC by PR equals to AB by PQ. Okay. So here what will I do? AB equals to 2AM. I am putting it as equation 3 and PQ equals to 2PN. I am putting it as equation 4. Let's continue this in the next page. Yes, see here AC by PR equals to AB by PQ. This is since given. We have taken in the starting point of the proof. So now let's substitute this because this is equation 3 and this is equation 4, right? So let's substitute these two in the given. What do we get? AC by PR equals to 2AM by 2PM. 2 and 2 will be cancelled off. What do we get? We'll get AC by PR equals to AM by PN. Okay, let's draw the triangles now. When you see here, these two are the triangles diagrams given in the question. So here when you see AC by PR equals to AM by PN, correct? So from this, what can you see here? This angle A is equals to angle P, because here the sides are proportional. It means that the common angle is equal, correct? So here what can you write? You can write that angle A equals to angle P and the corresponding sides including the angle or corresponding sides including angle or proportional. See, I'll explain you this again. Here AC by PR equals to AM by PN. So what does it mean? It means that this angle, these two sides are proportional means what? That the common angles are equal. Okay. If one of the angles are equal in two triangles, okay. If one angle of one triangle is equal to one angle of another triangle and the corresponding sides including this angle are proportional, then the two triangles are similar. See, this is as per SAS similarity criterion. As per SAS similarity criterion, if one angle of one triangle is equal to one angle of another triangle and corresponding sides including the angle are proportional, then the two triangles are similar as per side similarity criterion. So therefore triangle AMC is similar to triangle PNR. Clear? Hence proved. So this is the solution for sub question 1. In the next video, let's find the solution for sub question 2.